Hi friends and fam, happy to see you again today. In this closing segment, we want to calculate 4044 divided by 12. To do this, we change this horizontal division sentence into the standard algorithm. First, we draw the division bracket, then move 4044 inside the bracket. This is the total we are dividing. Finally, move 12 to the left of the bracket. This is our divisor. The answer to our division will be written right here on top of the bracket. This is called the quotient. Let's look at the first digit of our number inside the house. Is this 4 big enough for 12 to fit inside? But in our case, we found that 12 is larger than 4. So we must take the next digit too. How many 12 are in 40? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 12, which gives us 36. Draw a line and subtract 40 minus 36, which leaves us with 4. Now we bring down the next digit, 4, and this makes our new number 44. How many 12 are in 44? The answer is 3. Now multiply 3 by 12, which gives us 36. Draw a line and subtract 44 minus 36, which leaves us with 8. Now we bring down the next digit, 4, and this makes our new number 84. How many 12 are in 84? The answer is 7. Now multiply 7 by 12, which gives us 84. Draw a line and subtract. The subtraction result is 0. The last result is 337. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.